Yeah, lately I've been spending time by myself, riding by myself, staying out the way, quiet as kept. Drive through the city, me, myself, and I, going in circles so I'm dizzy, head still spinning, looking out the sunroof, earth to the stars. If I had a spacesuit, I would travel far. If I left this planet, I'd be traveling at the speed of light. If I made it to the constellations, I'd be hypnotized, fascinated with the high. Thoughts of a sober mind, lost in a daydream, back to reality, back to this routine, oh what a tragedy. Daydreaming, night dreaming, lost in my thoughts, riding in the fast lane, speeding, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 in the evening, lost in my dreaming. Daydreaming, night dreaming, lost in my thoughts, riding in a fast lane, speeding. Sometimes I wanna run away and forget all my problems, go stress-free, no pressure, don't press me, don't bother, not deal with no they upset my stomach, get away from vacate from the drama. Well, I'm on the road at 2 a.m. I just looked up, it's a full moon. Stuck in a trance, I want to ascend. I want to escape, where we going to? Outermost, going traveling at the speed of light. Outermost, going traveling at the speed of light. Can't go back, I'm fascinated with the high. Can't go back, I'm fascinated with the high. Daydreaming, night dreaming, lost in my thoughts, riding in a fast lane, speeding, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 in the evening, lost in my dreaming, daydreaming, night dreaming, lost in my thoughts, riding in a fast lane, speeding.